Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Karisa. In my intro video, I said I wasn't gonna do much talking videos, but Valentine's Day is coming up, and I said that weird Valentine's Day is coming up, and I want to do a video, so I should get dressed for that. So, relationships. They are the greatest things out there and the least greatest things out there. Okay, I shouldn't say least greatest thing. I'm in a relationship and I don't think my boyfriend would appreciate if I said it's the least greatest thing. Sorry, babe. I have been in a relationship for over 3 years now. He is my first boyfriend, and he is also my first relationship, and he is also my first love. He is all of those, and I am happy to have him in my life. You've probably seen him before. If you haven't, here's a picture. But he has been in my past videos. He has helped me out so much in this channel. He is one of the best things that's ever happened to me, and I'm happy to have him in my life. So, getting on with the video. I have learned so much in the past 3 years while being with him, and I want to share you. I want to share some tips that I've learned, not even tips, just like some lessons I've learned from being in this relationship, and hopefully you guys could learn from this, or you could understand a little bit, or you could just watch me make a fool out of myself. We'll never know. So, number one, also with being patient, life is busy. Life sucks sometimes. I'm in school and I go to work. He goes to school full time, and we're both just not seeing each other often. We talk on the phone a lot, we text, and it's just, I know it's not the same as having a date night, but like, you gotta have patience. Like, yes, you guys' schedule will free up soon. You guys will be able to see each other soon. Just be patient. Don't push that other person and tell them, you're not making time for me. Why are you doing? Like, why aren't you making time for me? Do not be that person. No one likes that person. I know I'm that person and I don't like that person. I'm not like that all the time. But like I said, I'm learning. I am learning. Number two. Another thing I have learned about being in this relationship is breaking up is not an answer to everything. Just because you guys are in a fight does not mean you guys should break up. If you are able to work past it, if you are able to learn and just like communicate, then breaking up should not be the answer to everything. You should be able to just talk it out. No yelling, no fighting, like just talk it out, and hopefully you guys can work it out. Breaking up should be plan Z. If you are still unhappy, if you are still wanting to like rip their head off, if you just don't want to be with this person, just break up with them. Especially if you're in a toxic relationship, you should break up with them, because they are affecting your life. They're affecting the people around you, your closest friends and family. And if they're just horrible, like, you don't need that. You need someone who respects you, who loves you, who cares about you, not someone who doesn't respect anything you do or say, not someone who doesn't respect your family. Just be with someone who you would want your grandmother to be proud of. Not even your parents, your grandma. You want to make your grandma proud. Going off of that, number two, we are on to number three. So, third thing coming from number two, communicate. Yeah, so try saying that 3 times. Communicate. Communicate is huge. Like, bigger than big. Talk to the person. Having communication is really important, because you want to know what they're thinking. You want to know why they're mad at you. They want to know why you're mad at them. You cannot just be like, what's wrong, babe? Nothing. What's wrong, babe? Nothing. What's wrong, babe? Nothing. I said nothing. They walk away. Ugh, he does not listen to me. He doesn't understand that something's wrong right now. They want to know why you're upset. Like, they want to know why you're mad. Are you hungry? Are you tired? Did they do something stupid? Like, tell them why you're mad. Tell them why you're upset. We're gonna go on to number 4. Okay, space is super important. I love being with my guy. I love talking to him, just constantly on the phone with him, constantly being with him. But sometimes I like my me time, because when you guys are always together and always talking, it gets stale, and that always causes fights. Because you guys run out of things to talk about, and then bam, oh, I should start a fight with him. This could continue a conversation, but you guys are fighting. You guys will end up hating each other. It's not worth it. So just spend some time to yourself, especially because if you have friends and family around you and you are always ditching them to go talk to your guy, to always spend time with them, they will not forget that when the relationship doesn't work out, God forbid. But if the relationship doesn't work out and you're trying to go back to them, sometimes they don't forget, like, she ditched us because she wanted to be with her boyfriend. Now they're not together anymore, and now they're coming back to, now she's coming back to us, or he's coming back to us. They will not forget that. So spend time with your friends, spend time with your family. Don't forget them while being in the relationship, because they are what you have to go back to, and you don't want them to be all mad at you and all that. And number 5, last one. And this final thing I've learned, and this is probably the most important one to me because I've never thought about this before until my boyfriend's sister taught me it. Be your own happiness. Do not depend on anyone to bring you happiness. In a relationship, you should not be depending on the guy to be your happiness, to bring you happiness, because they could also break that happiness. So learn how to create the happiness within yourself and find someone who adds on to it. Don't just find someone because you're not happy or you feel broken. They should not be the ones to pick up your pieces. You should pick up your own pieces, put yourself together, and have someone add on to your happiness. Like I said, this is all my opinion, but just keep that in mind when you're building friendships and relationships. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. So if you haven't already, please go watch my last couple of videos. I've done an intro one, I've done a Kalahari one, I've done a Place Yelly. I've done a couple videos. Go check them out. They are awesome in my opinion. Just saying. And if you haven't, please click that subscribe button. It is going to be in that last outro video. I don't know where it's going to be. Please hit my picture and subscribe. I will totally appreciate that. Right now, I need like 20 more people to hit 100, and I would love to hit 100 subscribers. And also, hit that like button below if you like this video, and comment your opinions. Comment what you've learned in a relationship. I would love to see that. And I will see you guys next week, or next time I film a video, because I don't know if it'll be next week. Later!